Are you thinking of opening your own auto repair shop in Namibia? Whether you're a skilled mechanic or a car enthusiast ready to start your business, this step-by-step guide will help you register your auto repair shop legally and stress-free. Let's get started. Step 1. Choose and reserve your business name. First, you need a unique and catchy business name. Make sure it's not already taken by searching on the Business and Intellectual Property Authority platform. Once you find an available name, reserve it by submitting the required application and paying the reservation fee. Choose a name that reflects your brand, like Quick Fix Auto Repair or Elite Auto Garage. Step 2. Register your business. Now that your business name is secured, it's time to register it officially. Complete the necessary forms such as CM5 or CC8 for a closed corporation. You'll also need to pay the registration fees. Step 3. Prepare required documents. To avoid delays, make sure you have all the required documents ready. This includes documents like certified copies of ID passport for owners and shareholders, proof of business address, list of services your auto repair shop will offer, founding statement and memorandum of association, and the last but not least is the tax identification documents. Missing any of these? Don't worry, I'll show you how to get them. Step 4. Register for tax and compliance. Next, you'll need to register with Namibia Revenue Agency, NAMRA, to get your tax identification number. If your income exceeds the VAT threshold, register for value-added tax. Without a tax number, you won't be able to open a business bank account or get contracts. Step 5. Get business licenses and permits. Now, let's talk about permits and licenses. Before opening your doors, make sure you have 1. Business license. You can apply for this at your local municipality. 2. Environmental clearance. You need a proper disposal of oil, batteries, and chemicals. 3. Health and safety compliance. You will need to implement workplace safety, fire extinguisher regulations, and first aid training. Skipping this step could get you fined or even shut down. Step 6. Set up your business premises. Your workshop must be safe, functional, and approved for auto repair services. Ensure your premises meet zoning regulations and have the right tools, from lifts to diagnostic machines. Get high-quality tools for efficiency and customer trust. Congratulations! Your auto repair shop is registered. Now, attract customers by creating a website and social media pages, running Facebook and Google ads, targeting car owners. You should also think of partnering with taxi and delivery services for bulk repairs. Starting an auto repair shop in Namibia may seem complex, but with the right steps, you'll be on the road to success. If you don't want to deal with all the paperwork, I've got you covered. Let me handle your business registration. Fast, stress-free, and 100% legal. Go to investinginnamibia.com and let's get started today.